The Aerolite has been designed to meet the criteria of FAR 103 and to provide a normal transition for those who are coming from private pilot flying, Cessnas and so forth, and also easy enough to fly with adequate performance, great performance actually, for those starting out with no flying experience at all.
Well, the big appeal of ultralights in general, or Part 103 ultralights in general, is it is an aircraft that you can fly without a pilot's license.
Since it is ultralight, there's no license for it. Therefore, there's no age requirement, so anybody can fly one.
He flew his Aerolite 103 from Virginia to Oshkosh this year, which was a 750-mile trip with 32 stops.
It's great. I've been fortunate. I've been able to fly lots and lots of different airplanes over the years, but I always tell people if I get 45 minutes to go out and fly for fun, I'll walk past everything else and get in an ultralight and go fly that.
I approached the EAA about the possibility of building one of these here and saying that we could do it in a week, and there's great interest in ultralights and bringing that back. So we're doing this through the week. We're into day 3 and we have done what you see behind me. The kit comes pretty complete if you look on the different websites. The cage is all built, all the structures pre-built, the wing panels are built. The day you unpack the Aerolite, you can start covering it. All the control surfaces you see in the background up against the wall, they were all done in 2 hours. The wings, we put the wings on this morning and covered them, put the ribs in. We did that in 2 hours this afternoon. The Aerolite goes together so simple, you know, a couple weeks on average builder can take care of it himself. Anybody that turns a wrench should be able to do that, do this kit. It's fairly simple, minimum tools to do it. So I appreciate what the EAA is doing, and I think that's going to be a big part of the rebirth of the Part 103 ultralights, and that's why we're doing the build here.
They want something that they can use for recreation, for the simple joy of going out and flying.
And one thing we have, ultralighters have, is the beauty of being in the environment. We can feel the wind, we can see the grass without windows or doors. Ultralight is just, it's freedom, it's fun, it's affordable, and it's just simple. It's just a wonderful way to enjoy the sport. It really is the freedom and spirit of aviation.